equilibrium tightening up. XLF back to its low of the day. Testing it now. Low of yesterday.
Yeah, 1 minute bear flag looks possible. Currently in Alibaba puts.
Definitely looking like AI is going to need to see some notable QQQ weakness if it's going to top out from this monster bull run it's seen the last couple weeks. Back to the high of the day test, keeping Netflix and Meta strong. Watching for the 2-minute lower high on Tesla. QQ 303.74 is now a key short-term support level. I'm going to grab a little Tesla short and just put my stop over that 2-minute lower high. Just a very low risk top fish attempt. You hit a new low today for that to play out. So pretty much just saying that's either a 2-minute lower high or I'm wrong. A little bit of wiggle room, but I'm not going to go off the high of the day because that's an extra 1% of risk. Otherwise, from here, I'll be watching AI for a 5-minute higher low. Next consolidation. Bulls are liking the fact that this current 5-minute volume is the highest of the morning, getting the follow through from the bull break. If Tesla does set the 2-minute lower high here, I'm going to look to exit at low 194s. Still holding up. XLF did break the low of yesterday, so it started consolidation, but obviously QQQ strength is helping offset that. $97.01 stop on Tesla. QQQ new high of the day, no follow through at the moment.
Looking for an exit in this Alibaba because it's going against me.
Still watching the AI 1 minute uptrend for full bull control for bulls that are in position. 28.89 was the last one. Apple, no new high of the day yet. Keeping an eye on that. Apple is the weakest major tech name on the morning so far. Tesla 2 minute lower high is set. We hold 193.77 here. I'm going to exit half. Give a little attempt. Two-minute downtrend confirmed. Now you watch the low today. Exiting half. Well, defending the low today on Tesla initially, and again, still not really showing us any weakness until we take out some of these short-term supports. Still forming little short-term higher lows at the moment.
Oh, yeah.
Netflix 5-minute consolidation underway. Need to see a new low of the day if it's going to be the first sign of an hourly lower high being set on Netflix. AI new 1 minute higher low is now 29.11. Again, it's moving 3 to 5% extremely quickly. 50 short-term wall. There were some hidden shares on it. I saw it get hit a few times with a decent amount of volume and not budge. I'm going to put the stop for the second half of my Tesla position above the high of today. After taking some partial profit, that gives me enough wiggle room to do so. on Netflix here. Be that hourly low or high. Netflix bears need to confirm a 5-minute downtrend. So the day test on Netflix. QQQ Bears need to break 303.72 for their first break of short-term support. Now it's the low of the day on QQQ, 303.33 support.
Looking at Amazon puts, we do know that it had a negative reaction to Amazon. I mean, the earnings.
QQQ Bulls defending the low of the day. Tesla holding on well. AI confirmed a 1-minute downtrend, so we zoom out and look for a 5-minute high or low. Keeping an eye on EMA 12.
Just grabbed Amazon puts. $102.45, stop at $106.75, risking 30 cents.
We're going to watch the retracement size on the QQQ 5-minute consolidation. Netflix back to the low of the day test. Look to see. Let's head back towards low of Friday. It's down at 359.
Gonna need some help from QQQ though. You know, Amazon had bad earnings, or not so great earnings.
So at this point, it's all about QQQ needing the low of the day for a first sign of an hourly lower high being set. The Bears are going to get any kind of momentum in their favor. Still Apple as a
Feeling thugged out, but y'all. Wait, you can't see me.
So AI 5-minute higher and low. Bulls really want it to be 28.69. Anything less than that would be a red flag.
Pretty much 2-1.
Coach, can I take a request thread? Can you keep tightening up here? I just want you to see.
Damn.
See a new high of the day or a new low of the day? Here's open for a 2-minute head and shoulders. You're back to trying to test the high of the day. AI anything under 30.50 is a 2-minute lower high. Bears would have to confirm a 2-minute downtrend for the 5-minute consolidation to be a red flag, but so far bouncing right off of 5-minute EMA 12, keeping the consolidation healthy. QQQ new high of the day. We'll see if we get any follow through. Bulls are keeping their short-term control. Tesla still tightening up. A little bit of relative weakness, just the fact that we're not near the high of the day with QQQ. Burden remains on Bears. CELH. CLH high of the day, 5-minute higher low set at 97.01. Daily, anything under 103.75 is a daily lower high. So we are in a daily and weekly downtrend. but a 5-minute and hourly uptrend. Big volume on the morning as well. 103.75 resistance. AMC daily inside bar, big upper wick of profit taking on Friday. So we got 677 key resistance and 603 key support, and we're just tightening up within that range. Not a whole lot of volatility on the morning. Pretty much just watching 603 and 677. We're a little bit closer to support than resistance, but not by a lot. A break of 603 would confirm an hourly downtrend for me. MSTR, anything under 303.40 is an hourly lower high. Daily consolidation is underway, but there are no red flags on that consolidation. It's 100% bounce. Bitcoin only down 50%. A little bit more than that, but not by much. MSTR bouncing almost twice as much as Bitcoin over the last month plus. But again, this daily consolidation is healthy until we see a reason to tell us that it is not. But we are in an hourly downtrend. Well, I take that back. We did hit a higher high Friday, so we would have to confirm an hourly downtrend for that daily consolidation to get more significant. But we are looking for an hourly lower high compared to 303.40, just like we are on many individual names. YOU, $35 resistance. If you're in a swing, you're potentially playing off of 32.61 support. If not in a position and looking for a position, definitely waiting for consolidation. Weekly 33.70 resistance broke, 34.53, 34.80. I'd say we're still struggling with that level at the moment. I would call that a triple top, even though we did break it by 20 cents. You can see it's still clearly resistance on the weekly time frame at this point. So I would be waiting. Personally, it'd be the kind of trade where I'm waiting for hourly oversold conditions or a test of daily EMA 12, but certainly don't like. It would be too extended for me to be looking for a bullish entry up here, considering we're up 30-something% with minimal daily consolidation. Tesla still seeing a little bit of that relative weakness. Bears are positioned well if QQQ can see some 5-minute consolidation here. But for now, QQQ is holding bulls up. TMO, daily tightening range. High, low, lower high, anything above 558 is a daily higher and low. Hourly trend change back to the bulls needed. Anything under 592.84 is just an hourly lower high. So bulls would need a big enough bounce through the morning to create the space for an hourly trend change attempt. We're going to be shaping up that daily higher and low. Keep in mind there is a gap at 570.63. Doesn't mean it has to fill on this consolidation, but that is a level we're watching as well. Bulls need the hourly trend change in their favor for a daily higher low to be shaping up. We are watching for an hourly lower high on the current bounce, so it would take a bit to develop. MARA still weak.
I'm just gonna take a week or two off.
5-minute uptrend to confirm, and we would need a new high of the day for the hourly bounce, and we would then look for the hourly lower high compared to 792. But again, a relative weakness stands out compared to right, it's the same, but both trying to get an hourly bounce going need a 5-minute uptrend to confirm to do so, and they both have relative weakness to QQQ, which is up near its high of the day. also still tightening up. Again, Bears aren't going to win. He was holding on strong, but this is a 5-minute equilibrium now. Anything above 193.01 is a higher low, and it's just getting nice and tight. Good job of drawing it, but quick 5-minute for clarity. Key resistance 196.70, 196.91. Key support low of the day 193.01, and we're just tightening up as volume declines, and we're going to see a break and volume spike sometime in the next 20 minutes. PHP, monthly inside bar, weekly consolidation underway. Anything above 61.05 is a weekly higher low. Bulls want to hold weekly EMA 12 support. Earnings are next week. And we are definitely seeing a shift in momentum from lead bull strength, losing daily EMA 12 and rolling over since then. So we are in a daily and an hourly downtrend. Anything under the high of Friday is an hourly lower high next bounce. And the bulls have some work to do to try and shape up a weekly higher low, as these short-term trends are favoring the bears at the moment. We are just getting to hourly oversold, but keeping in mind that we also got to hourly oversold last week as well, so I wouldn't consider it a back burner kind of bounce. Uptrend resistance line to be keeping an eye on. Bigger picture is kind of a weekly higher low, but no sign that it is shaping up. Q high of the day, AI high of the day, 5-minute uptrend. This is our guide on AI. IWM, daily consolidation underway. Next support is 194.35. Keeping an eye out for hourly oversold conditions. We would need another leg down for that to come into play. Ending on the high of Friday is an hourly lower high. Daily EMA 12 not in the picture. So keeping an eye out for hourly oversold conditions. Scouting a daily higher low. Clearly one of the weaker sectors today. Bulls are defending the low of the day, but we have 5-minute lower highs as a short-term guide. GS daily, still not consolidating unless we break 365.
Currently regretting it.
There's a pattern for the last 9 days. So that support is coming into play now. And then we'll be watching for hourly oversold here as well. I would consider it a double top at 374.35. So it's just a question of can bears follow through to break the low of Friday to start that daily consolidation. GD daily pattern is a strong bull move. Just starting daily consolidation by breaking the low of Friday. If we break 11.49, we're looking at gap fill down to 11.14. So it's been running with QQQ over the last month, and it's starting daily consolidation here. It's buying QQQ as well. See if QQQ is a potential rising wedge. Again, we know we're looking for an hourly lower high on QQQ, even though the bulls have had control since the bell rang. And it is a potential rising wedge. Don't really love a support line for it. Worth keeping an eye on that resistance line. Remember last week, I think it was last week, there was a morning short-term rising wedge and an hourly lower high, and bears that followed through all day from there. Actually, was back 1 week ago. Morning rising wedge, and then bears follow through from there. Keep it an eye. with the hourly lower high on QQQ.
We've got 2 entries on Amazon puts, Jay. Appreciate you being here. Hold on, I gotta see where I got my second entry. Right around here. Oops, wrong button. Yeah, not a lot moving today. So kind of a boring day, but we got 2 entries. One at 102.45, one at 102.9-ish.
Netflix 5-minute lower high is set. You're hoping for a fair flag there.
Amazon has some bad earnings news, and you know I know you hate them, so we we're trying to see if they come on down. But we need some help from QQQ though. QQQ does not want to come down. Probably time we switch to the 2-minute chart. Huh. Like how that looks actually. There we go, there we go, there we go. Come on, boys. Could sell some of these Amazon puts for some profit, but I'm gonna try to hold. We're gonna try to really hit them. You good, bro? What's up with that cough? Yeah. Oh, I can't comment on my own chat. I gotta keep an eye on this market too. Hold on. And it's Jersey out here, man. It's cold. Come on, boys, let's go. Come on, break it. Break it. Oh. Come on, get it. Let's see what this looks like on the 10. 10-minute chart definitely looks weak. It definitely looks weak. QQQ Bears defending the low today again. Amazon Bears defending as well. Looking for that break so we could really get some moolah. Players want to play. Ballers want to ball.
5-minute downtrend confirmed. Hourly lower high potentially. Pick it up. Watching the low pre-market. If it breaks, then we'll be heading towards hourly oversold condition.
Oh.
Testing the low today as well. So looks like SPY is leading the way down.
I think I recognize this pattern now. This might be a bullish pattern.
I guess just now a question of can we break 41.06?
Ah. Below this support level right here.
TAN rejection from daily resistance to end last week. Now trying to hold support 78.03, 77.27. I hear most about 77.27. 84.18. Bulls need an hourly trend change back in their favor if they're going to set the daily high or low, but still in an hourly downtrend at the moment. If 77.27 breaks, it's going to be a more convincing double top rejection.
Hey Jay, if you remember that sport that you convinced me to play last year, I was at work yesterday and some guy mentions, he's like, oh yeah, you know, I play. I'm like, oh, I play this sport too. So low-key made a friend yesterday at work because we both love that sport. I'm trying to give myself away too much on the internet. All right, here we go. Amazon coming down to test this 102.12 again. QQQ giving us some help. QQQ giving us some help. I'm holding my whole position. We don't break though and see some follow through. I might start scaling out.
Amazon's trying to join the Bears. QQQ is testing the low of the day, and we are not far from all major sectors below the day at the same time. We'll keep an eye out to see if that happens. AI is definitely looking like a temporary top, is it?
Looking like a weak day. Healthcare sector trying to hold it up. You know what, man? Forget looking at these stocks. I'm about to go make myself a fruit smoothie. He said, yo, what's his name on the internet? John J.W. is a fool, man. He said, oh, it's so cute. Yo. Gotta tell this man, this is New Jersey. We don't do things like that. Okay, now QQQ's falling apart and Amazon doesn't want to follow. Bezos, take your hand off the buy button. Let it die, Bezos. It's over. It's over. Here we go. Come on, give me 101.70, baby. Give me 101.70 while I'm in this full position. Come on, Amazon. You know you ain't about it. Also, look at the monthly. What's the most likely scenario for me? It's lower high compared to 39. Not worried about the monthly as long as we're in a daily uptrend. So, like most names, we're watching daily EMA total support test. We're watching first response to hourly oversold conditions. QQQ bears following through with the low of the day. What do we need from here? We need Come on. 5-minute downtrend for follow through. Come on, give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Putting my finger on the sell button. Looking to sell half. I'm hitting it right there. 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 Out half. Let's go. This is my. Woo. Let's go. Good trade. Out half. Out half. Out half. 4-hour. Hard drop from last week. Looks like I got out half at a pretty good time. Should have sold 3/4, but it's all good. Let's go. So again, QQQ, 5-minute downtrend confirming is the next step for bear control. Next question is, how much of this do I want to hold? How much do I want to get rid of? You know what? I'm sick today. I'm at work sick. CCJ, we're having a pretty good day. We're testing EMA 12 support right now. The hourly RSI is not oversold. We would have to drop down towards 27 for it to get that way. I'm going to sell one more right here. I'm out one more right there. We're just going to lock in the win. We're going to lock in the winning day. We're going to lock in the winning day. There it is. There it is. Good work, boys. Good work, boys. Good work, boys. Jay, I'm about to call you right now. Dan, I appreciate you. Shout out to you. Jay, I appreciate you being here. Only one actually in my live chat. And at 102.45 and at 102.9. Out around 101.8. Still holding one quarter of my position. Yeah, I know we finished yesterday. Actually, I actually took the time to make sure I got my last stuff done yesterday. That's how come I got on the Xbox so late. Whew, well, to be honest with you, I could only get my week 12 stuff done. But I actually took the time to make sure I got a passing grade for week 12. Oh man. Ugh. Good win today, boys. Good win. Good win. Still got $111 left over to trade with, but we're not taking any more trades today. You got to know when you got the win. You know what? I'm actually gonna remove that money from my account right now, so I don't get it. Cue the celebration music, man. It's over, baby. It's over. It's over. We won. All right, that's one battle in the long war that we gotta fight. That's one day. We need 400 more and we rich.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. From down, go down, famous. From down, go down, famous. Go down, famous. Go down, famous. Go down. Let's still go down. I'm still holding on to it.
She just wanna fuck with me, cause she know I'm living comfortable.
It feels good to win, man. Hey, hey, John, bro, I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. It feels good to be a winner, bro. It feels good to be a winner, John. It feels good to be a winner, man. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. Out here using my team, right? Out here making the best of what I got, man. Got a couple employees on payroll, man. There he is right there, man. Just using him and just trying to do the little things right. Oh, it feels nice to be a winner. It feels good to be a winner. We got I gotta do this for another year straight, but hey, it's a start.
Fuck with me, but she ain't never had no luck with me. Girl, I know you ready for it, but I'ma make you beg me for it. You want me, I already know it. She tell me I can feel that boy. Yeah,
I
I
play
play
that.
Stevie Wonder overjoyed. Cause she be making over noise. I think I made her blow her voice. That pussy getting over moist. Call me when you wanna see me. I'm everywhere, just come and see me. I rub it like a fucking genie. Yeah, I said I rub it like a fucking genie. Girl, don't fucking tease me. This game is too fucking easy. Yeah, I'm in Compton, just bumping easy. And these chucks so fucking geeky. Chromed out beamers, gold out penis. Chromed out beamers, chromed out beamers, chromed out beamers, chromed out beamers, gold out penis. Chromed out beamers, yeah. Chromed out beamers, yeah. Chromed out beamers, yeah. We headed to the top with this. I told her, baby, give my watch a
Oof.
kiss.
Well,
You know it ain't no stopping this.
could have made a few more dollars.
I'm feeling like Tupac on this. Yeah. I fight the urge every
Yes,
day.
sir.
I wanna bite your curves every day.
Man, you know we love the West Coast out here, man.
Heavy play. Your ass can make the Chevy scrape.
Shout out Dom Kennedy. Shout out Nipsey Hussle. Rest in peace.
That rollie with the them chromed out beamers.
Shout out Tupac, rest in peace.
With the chromed out speakers and the chromed out tweeters, them chromed out beamers. Chromed out beamers.
Shout out anybody out there with a dream, man. Anybody out there trying to fight back, man. Anybody out there just not willing to take what life giving them, man. Shout out to cats like me, man. Shout out to cats like JD. Facebook. I'll get that information. I don't know what he's willing to share. But yeah, shout out to him, man. John, you can put your information in the chat if you want.
She knowing I'm in stunt mode.
Girl, oh no, man, I'm in stunt mode.
That Rolex rose gold.
That
Jesus piece hang low. Oh, them boys doing tax fraud. Wanna swipe a young nigga black card. I just bought another black R. She just had to go and tap R. Random, but I'm in another tax bracket. Never mind me, I always fuck her ass backwards. You know we run this rap game. I couldn't run a lap on the track, man.
Run the rap game like a trap, man.
Fat nigga, fast money, just to
Still holding 1/4 of this position as it continues to go down.
fat nigga, fast money, just the facts, man. Chromed out beamers, gold out penis, chromed out beamers, chromed out beamers, chromed out beamers, chromed out beamers, gold out penis, chromed out beamers, chromed out beamers, chromed out beamers. I'm talking chromed out beamers on gold out penis with the chromed out speakers and the chromed out tweeters, them chromed out beamers, chromed out beamers, gold out penis.
It's time for me to get up out of here, man. But stop loss on this on these Amazon puts are 101.75. Will walk my stop loss down as price goes down.